Hey everyone, is your C drive getting full, slowing down your Windows 11 PC? Today, I'll show you the easiest and most effective ways to clean up your C drive and reclaim valuable space, fast and safe. Let's dive in. Disk Cleanup. First, let's start with the classic Disk Cleanup tool. Open the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and launch it. Select your C drive and wait for it to scan. Now, check all the boxes for temporary and unnecessary files like thumbnails, temporary files, and even your recycle bin. Click OK and let Windows do its magic. You'd be surprised how much space you can free up, sometimes even a couple of gigabytes. Enable Storage Sense. Next, let's automate some of this cleanup with Storage Sense. Go to Settings, Arrow System, Arrow Storage, and turn on Storage Sense. This feature automatically deletes temporary and cache files so you don't have to worry about them. While you're here, click on Cleanup Recommendations and follow the prompts to remove files Windows thinks you no longer need. It's a simple way to keep your drive clean without lifting a finger. Uninstall unused apps. Finally, let's tackle those space-hogging apps. Go to Settings, Arrow Apps, Arrow Installed Apps. Sort them by size from large to small to see which programs are taking up the most space. Uninstall the ones you rarely use. This step alone can free up tens of gigabytes if you've accumulated a lot of software over time. And there you have it. 3 quick and effective ways to clean your C drive in Windows 11 and boost your PC's performance. Try these steps today and watch your storage space grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.